Hi, I'm Christy Carroll, principal of Carver Elementary School, and the Carver staff and I would like to welcome you to 2020-2021 school year. We are excited about a new school year and excited that you will be joining us as Carver Cubs. At Carver, we are committed to helping your child grow academically, physically, socially, and emotionally. The staff and I are working very hard to prepare engaging, fun learning opportunities for your child. Carver has a full-time counselor and a full-time nurse to support the needs of your child. The Carver teachers and I want your child to learn and have the best experience while at Carver. We will work tirelessly to ensure that this happens. We look forward to partnering with you to make sure this year is one full of joy, learning, and memories to last a lifetime.